It's a lot of people out there that love nature, but just fail to realize nature don't love you.
This photographer was attacked by an elk. He was taking pictures of the elk in the middle of the road. And suddenly, a young bull elk was coming close to him. The photographer had no choice but to protect himself from getting hurt by the animal's horns. He was trying to get out of it. But the elk wasn't losing any interest in him.
That was a bad decision.
Them big ass horns on his head, what did you think was gonna happen? What it look like, TV?
I am back! What it do, baby?
YouTube's own Varnell Hill.
Did ya miss me?
Your very own spokesman for the Insidians. We're inside and we're comfortable.
They're so comfortable.
And I'm back with another one. And today, y'all, we gonna touch on some of these animal videos that came across the TikTok. I don't know where they coming from, but a lot of these situations, I definitely don't want to find myself in. Like, where do they have rats in the toilet at?
So apparently, these come up. Oh, he just disappeared!
What?
He went back down! He went back down! Yeah?
What the
Comment section, we need to find out where that was at. And wherever it is at, if I visit, I'm bringing a bucket.
That's my crapper.
crapper?
Yeah, for in the woods, I put it in the back of my truck, sit on it.
Because that's way too much to handle while you sitting on the toilet. Can you imagine sitting on the toilet and hearing a splash while you down there and you ain't go yet? Man, but anyway, man, when it comes to the animal kingdom, if you ask me, raccoons are my favorite animal because raccoons just don't care. That raccoon ain't care two frying pans about that skunk. Skunk out there slapping the porch, trying to point his butt at him like, I'm gonna fart on you. Raccoon ain't care. Raccoon was like, I'm hungry, man. You just gonna have to fart on me tonight, man. But anyway, man, the small animals is one thing. But what do you do if you come downstairs and find a bear in your kitchen?
Oh, no fucking, no way, that's not, oh my gosh. No way, that's not a person in costume. Bro! No way. No way. Bro's literally Is he born? No,
That was stupid.
I don't know what narratives we have spun in America, but I'm noticing that bears have been getting really disrespected lately. You would choose the bear over the man. They in here laughing at the bear. If they ran upstairs in that house and that bear chose to give chase, it wasn't a thing in that house that could have protected them.
Death is not an adventure.
They on the steps laughing and giggling, feeling perfectly safe, and the bear knows how to open the refrigerator, open the door, come in the house.
Oh, hi there.
The bear know too much. I would be scared as hell.
I want to go home.
But it gets even worse than that. Some people could be carried. Watch this next lady.
No.
Oh.
That's enough. No, don't go chewing on her toy. She'll shoot me.
Watch the chilling moment a wild black bear stalked a woman carrying her shopping, hoping for a late-night snack.
No, you did.
What is
Come on.
Let's get into the door. Get the door. Oh, they are slipping.
Well, she gets in you.
There's a girl right there.
Oh my God.
Her balls was bigger than mine, hands down, man.
You got some big testicles to pull this off, bro.
I'm not getting out the car near the bear. I'm leaving. I'm probably not coming back until they tell me that the bear is captured. But I'm definitely not just carrying the groceries and telling the bear about itself while I'm carrying the groceries to my house. That's what's not gonna happen.
Nope.
But I hate to stereotype people, but you ain't gonna find too many black peoples doing that, because we even flip out at petting zoos.
Just wait a minute. I'm not ready yet.
Oh, I think you ought to be ready.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready yet. Wait, please. No, God, no. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Oh, God, here. Oh, shit. Why are you biting my feet? Oh, Lord. Here, have it. Have it. Jesus Christ, yeah.
Just take it all, baby. It's all yours, baby. Just don't kill me, please. I got kids.
This is not going to be a good experience for me. And this dog poo up there. Why do they want me? I don't have any. Ah, you're biting my new pants. Here, have it. Jesus Christ.
I want to go home.
See what I tell y'all? That was at a petting zoo. Them animals was friendly. But y'all know y'all set that lady up. She was the one deer at a time lady. Y'all let a whole flock of deer come to her. Scared the crap out of her like that. But anyway, man, depending on where you live in the country, you know that deer can be a problem, man. Deer are out here carjacking people, or shall I say dare-jacking people.
Get the fuck out. Holy shit, bro.
These deers be out here bold as hell. But then I got to thinking, man, the people in Australia, they gotta look at us as some straight chumps.
Limp-wristed beta male feminist.
Cause we sitting here having a hard time with these deer, and they gotta deal with this.
What the hell is even that?
My only serious question is, how can you be from Australia and not be an Insadian if that's what's outside? I couldn't imagine visiting Australia, being in the Airbnb, wake up in the morning to this.
What the f*** is that?
Don't you scratch my window. Oi!
I want to go home. I want to go home.
I want to go home.
don't care what nobody say. Get me a police escort. Matter of fact, get me a military escort. Get me to the airport. I want to go home.
We must overreact immediately.
And you probably saying that's just because they was out in the wild and so forth. No, these things are all over Australia in the neighborhoods.
Oh my God. Oh gee. Oh, a big kangaroo in front of me. I'm scared. Come on, go away. Oh gee. Oh gee. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's, oh my God.
See what I tell y'all, residential street, big ass kangaroo. I want to go home.
Now!
But anyway, man, besides Australia, besides the kangaroos running around, the wildest thing I ever seen, I don't even want to spoil it for y'all. Watch what's running around this residential area.
What? What?
If you could spot where that was from, hit me up in the comments section to let me know where I'm not going. Because if y'all got rhinoceroses running around, I don't need to be there, man. Y'all need to get y'all rhinoceros problem in order and get some order going before I even think about visiting there. Because come on, y'all, rhinoceroses.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
And that thing looked like a dinosaur on a city street. But anyway, man, before we get up out of here, we're going to take a trip over to Asia, where they just let these monkeys get away with whatever they want. These monkeys is on this bridge just basically Me Tooing people, and they just got to allow it to happen.
Yeah, boy.
I am no way an advocate of, hurting animals in any type way. But little buddy would have had to get drop kicked off the bridge. He was crossing the line and he was taking it too far.
What are you doing?
That's because they allow them monkeys to go crazy every day and you can't do nothing about it. And the monkeys are smart. They like, you can't do nothing. So we're going to push the line. So that is another place I ain't going because I ain't trying to deal with no monkeys on no bridge getting all frisky and stuff. But anyway, man, that was just a couple of wild videos that then came across my timeline, some animal videos, man. I understand that y'all love nature out there, but you always got to remember, nature doesn't love you. Nature doesn't give a flying flip about you. So leave nature alone and watch it from afar. But anyway, if you done made it to this point in the video, you are my MVP.
It was a stone groove, my man.
I'm out of here.